Okay, I wanted to demonstrate a Smith machine squat, but with a heel elevation. Now the heel elevation is going to promote more glute work and more depth, primarily more depth. That's the key to doing it. So you're going to get great range, which incorporates your glutes, because if you do a shallow squat just standard, you may not get anywhere near as deep, but with your heels elevated, it creates a greater range, therefore using more of your lower limbs. What we want to use is, as you can see there, I've got a slant board. Now if you don't have a slant board, that's fine. That does give a high degree of elevation with your heels, but you can use, there's a lot of wedges in gyms. Alternatively, you can set up on some plates. So whether you use a couple of 2.5s or a big 10 kilo plate, enough to elevate the heel, but just make sure that your heel is actually in contact with the plate itself, not the rise in your foot where there's a gap there and you're pushing through that. All you're going to get is sand tube. You want to actually concentrate the focus on the heel so you can feel it. So you can have a barbell pad if you need. I don't need one today just due to this being a demonstration. All right, so we want to set up. First and foremost, take the bar, rotate the bar, get your feet in position. Relatively narrow stance. We're not going for a sumo stance. Chest up, very important. We don't want to be slouched. We want to be chest up. Elbows back, bar tucked onto the traps. We're secure, we're safe. And then we proceed to look for the depth and then drive straight back up again. We want to explode out of that depth. And you can see I'm going below my knees. I'm getting good depth, good range from there. And then I punch straight back up again. Now, because we're using a Smith machine, line of movement is taken care of. We're not unstable. We're actually quite secure. The only issue is obviously getting it back on the hooks, which technically shouldn't be an issue. So it's a great alternative to a standard squat. You're going to get a lot better depth in terms of the performance, as well as being stable and safe. So it's risk-free of injury, it's risk-free of instability. It's great for the lower limbs. It's a good addition to any lower leg exercise or lower leg day. So give that one a go, see how you feel. Guarantee you'll get some results.